In this video, we will learn how to use keyboard shortcut keys in Google Calendars. So let's start. So here you see my calendar is open. So if you want to see the all keyboard shortcut key of Google Calendars, you can just press the one shortcut key and see all the shortcuts key. So here I press the question marks only one shortcut key. So I press the here question mark. Here you see the all shortcut keys show here, so you can apply on when you work on your calendar. Okay, so these are the shortcuts key. I just close it. If you want to enable that shortcut keys, go to the setting, click on the settings option and drag down the below, and here you see the keyboard shortcuts. You can enable the keyboard shortcuts. Just check it's the box is checked or not. Now you can easily use these all shortcuts keys. Okay, that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.